A big hello to you fans of all kinds of modeling. Before I start unpacking these boxes, I would like to say a few words. Yes, this is the tool number one in the to-buy list for those of you who realize that ship modeling is the right hobby for you, or other kind of scale modeling as the case may be. I have a separate video about how and where to use the Rotary tool. Here will be a link on the top right. I get asked a lot, should I buy a cordless Rotary tool? Well, now I can find out and answer this question. Today I'm just testing it on samples, but I will gather enough material to work with it on models, and if you are interested, I can make a separate video about how this tool will behave in use. I want to say right away that this is a direct advertisement of the product, because I received this set as a sample from the Lowe's store, and that is why you can find affiliate links here on the bottom left. And yes, I do receive a commission if you purchase products from the store using these links. This is a new benefit for YouTube creators who participate in affiliate program, but this is a different topic for discussion. Better let's open the boxes. So this is Dremel Y8240, a box with accessories and some spare collets. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the overview. Text me in the comments below if you have any questions or share your own experience. With this, I wish you a nice day and I hope to see you soon.